Hey, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you a product review for Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer. So I've already applied it to half of my plastic dash over here. And it took about a couple minutes to do this, but as you can see on the right side of that BMW symbol is still a little dirty. Get some light on it. You can see the difference between the left side, which I have applied the solution to, and the right side. I'm still working on it, so it's not complete done. But if you take a look at this guy over here, this thing was in horrible shape, and now you can kind of see it looks a lot better. And then if we flip it over, this is kind of how it looked like originally on the dirtier ends. So what you want to do is get a little dab of the solution on a clean rag, and you're also going to want to clean off your surface before you do this, but make sure your surface is dry and not wet. And then with your clean rag and the solution on it, go ahead and start applying it in circles or back and forth motions. And really it only takes a couple minutes to do this. The worse off it is, the longer it's going to take, but eventually, you know, it's going to look a lot better, and it's going to start looking a lot blacker and more like it originally did when it came out of the factory. Now the surface will be a little greasy feeling at first, but eventually it will go away. It's only greasy until it fully gets soaked in by the plastic. So don't worry about that, and don't try to water it down. Let it sit for a day, and it should be nice and smooth and not really greasy feeling after about an hour or so, maybe even less, maybe like 10 minutes. All right, so that is my product review for Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer. I would recommend this, and if you're looking to pick up a bottle, I'll put a link for it in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content.